Hey guys, welcome back to the app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix iPhone 16 or 16 Plus not turning off. So if you're interested, let's get started. In this case, if you have an iPhone here or iPhone 16 or 16 Plus, and whenever you click on or press the power button, it doesn't actually closes, which is something really concerning here, especially it could actually ruin your screen if it doesn't actually fully turns off. Now, how do we solve this issue here? So we actually found this right here on the following platform here, and the following user actually just restarted the phone here, and it actually started working properly. Which in this case, you just need to restart your phone, and it will actually solve the problem. But in some cases, this might not be the permanent solution that you could do here. But another thing that you could do here is you might want to tinker with your settings. So some users actually reported some settings were automatically turned on for some reason. So what you need to do is you need to go to your settings, and you want to go to background and brightness, and you want to go ahead and click on the always on display option. And from then, you want to make sure that it's actually turned off. Now, if you have this turned on, it's the cause of the problem itself. So generally speaking, you just need to turn it off, and that will solve your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ulan app. Thank you for watching.